Factoring quadratics intro. So this is going backwards from what we've been doing. We now have a trinomial, which is 3 terms. And we're going to try and put it into a factored form. So factored form will have a binomial and another binomial multiplying by each other. Okay, so our end result will look something like this. To do that, you have to, actually that's wrong. We want to draw a big X, and we have to identify our 3 A, B, C's. So A value, B value, and C value. These are the numbers that are in front of the variable. So the number that's in front of x squared is actually a 1. Our B value is the 3, and our C is the -4. In the top part of this X, we're going to do A times C, and the bottom will be our B value. So A here is 1, our C is -4. So 1 times -4 equals -4, and our B value is 3. Now once you get this, mix this information, we're going to take this number and we want to make a factor tree. So the numbers that multiply to get to 4. So we have 1 times 4, 2 times 2. That's all of our factors, of 4 at least. And now we're going to try and figure out what numbers add to 3, or the sum. You'll see sum sometimes as well. Sum and add are the same thing. So how can we get this to happen? Well, since this number is negative, we know one of our factors down here will be negative. So for example, let's make my 4 negative. 1 minus 4 is equal to -3. That's close, but we're looking for a positive 3. So let's switch the signs. -1 plus 4 is positive 3. Those are the two numbers that will go here. -1, positive 4. So this is essentially the answer right here. So you'll write it as x minus 1 from here, and then times x plus 4. Parenthesis x minus 1, and then x plus 4. And that looks right. All right. All right, it's the exact same question that we just did. They're just giving you one of the factors already. Okay? So we're going to take this number and we're going to factor it with our x. Remember, it's A times C up top, and the bottom value is B. So our A value is 1, our C value is 36, so 1 times 36 is 36, and our B value is 13. Factor tree of 36, 1 times 36, you want to count up, 2 times 18. You can't do this in your head. Take this 36 and then just divide by these numbers here. So 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12. 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. 36 divided by 5 is a decimal. We're going to skip decimals. 36 divided by 6 is 6. And once you count around, you are done. Now looking at all these numbers, which of these numbers adds to 13? 1 and 36 adds to 37. That's not good. 2 plus 18 adds to 20. Not good. 3 plus 12 adds to 15. Not good. 4 plus 9 adds to 13. Bingo. There we go. 4 and 9. X plus 4 times x plus 9. Oh, I typed that in wrong. Let's see here. X plus 9. So I'm doing this backwards from my computer, so it's so funky. x plus 4. Come out right? There we go. Oh, okay. So actually, I just made a mistake. We already have the x plus 9 up here, so all I need to do is type in the x plus 4, actually. So don't type in both, otherwise we'll mark it wrong. That's what we're missing. Okay. And actually marked me wrong somehow. That's weird. Okay. Let's factor this one again. I didn't hit enter. I just didn't think I did. Maybe I did. Right. So our big X, our A value is 1. So 1 times 24 is 24. And this is our B value, which is 10. Now factor tree of 24. 1 times 24. And if you do 24 divided by 2, you get 12. 24 divided by 3, you get 8. 24 divided by 4, you get 6. And 5 is a decimal. Of these numbers, what adds to 10? This is 25. That's 14. That's 11. Those add to 10. And they go there and there. So our answer is x plus 6 times x plus 4. Good. And one more. Okay, big X. Our A value, once again, is 1. Our C is 28, so that's 1 times 28. And our B is 11. Our nice big factor tree I'll do over here. So 1 times 28, 2 times 14. 3 is a decimal. 4 times 7. And 5 does not go into 28, and 6 does not either. Which of these numbers adds to 11? That will be your bottom two numbers, 4 and 7. So we get x plus 4 times x plus 7. We already have the x plus 7, so our answer is simply the x plus 4. There we go.